Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I am Jose. Shelly's in the shower. And of course, I got another package from
Cubicle.com.
And just going to open it up. See what I got. By the way, in case you guys are wondering, I pay for all my cubes and puzzles and stuff in the Cubicle. So, for those of you who think I get stuff for free, I do not. Alright. Like normal, I got a card, invoice. All right, this is the first thing I got. I got my personalized, all black FTO stickers, all black, because I wanted to make training cubes like these, some more training cubes like these. Didn't want to run out of stickers, so I decided to get some more. So that's what I got, stickers. Of course, I got a few more of these. Every time I order stuff, I always like to get over 60, then I get free shipping. In order to get that, sometimes I order a couple of these cubes. These are $3.99, and this is for my Toys for Tots project. I'm aiming to get 100 of these to give out to kids in December. I'm over, I think, 60, if I counted correctly. And like I said, these cubes are $3.99, and 100 plus kids are going to have a Rubik's Cube this Christmas, courtesy of Toys for Tots.
Hello, give me just a second to tell you about the sponsor of today's video. The sponsor is the Gonzo Book's annual cube drive. 100 cubes, 100 smiles, one amazing Christmas. Our goal is to donate 100 Rubik's Cubes to Toys for Tots so more kids can experience the joy of solving their very first cube this Christmas. If you'd like to help support this cause, you can send a super chat on YouTube. Every dollar I receive will go directly towards purchasing more cubes from the Cubicle for this drive. Together we can put more smiles on more faces this Christmas. Thank you all so much for your support. We truly appreciate it, and we know the kids will too. Now back to our video.
Gonzo Book annual cube drive. Join the annual cube drive. One amazing Christmas. One amazing Christmas. One amazing Christmas.
All right, I got 3 of these boxes, almost full. Each box holds 24. So I have 2 up there in that box. That's 48. And then I have another 12. Which would make 60, and then another 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. I'm not going to count these cubes yet. 68, 69, 69, 70, 71. All right, 72. I got 3 full boxes, 72 plus 1, 73, plus these 2 that I'm going to give out to, total 73 plus 2, 75. I'm not going to count these towards my 100, so I have 102 when I get done. So, what did I say, 73? Nice. Yeah, I tried these out, and I like these better, so I'm just going to get these for now. So I got 2 full boxes of these. Hopefully I get 1 more box like this, hopefully. So I can put them in. It's easier to count that way. So 73, I need 27 to go. 27 to go, so I'm definitely going to make it. I didn't think I was going to be this far, but I always want to get a little bit of cube. Every time I order something, I just buy a few of these. 3, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. A couple packages ago, I got 10 of them. So 73 plus a couple. Sure. And put these away before I forget. So, what was that? Stickers, the Toys for Tot cubes. They don't have any too many FTOs out there yet. I mean, they're coming. I know they are. And so I wanted to get this one just to see how it is. And I almost have like all the FTOs they have, except for maybe 2 of the cheaper ones. And the one that I have, I think here, yeah, this one, but with the lighter internals. I have the dark internals, but it's the same thing. It's, one has light internals, one has dark. So I didn't want to get that one. So the box is nice and small, nothing fancy. Galaxy cluster, face turning octahedron, core magnetic Neo. So this is the Neo, but the clear one. Ooh, that looks nice. So there's a difference in the colors. That's yellow and green side. That's the red and gray side. Purple and orange side. And that's the red and white side right there. I think that's the side I forgot to show you. So, I don't know. Caught my eye for all these months, and now that I have it in my hand, I'm like, probably not going to use this. It's more like a display item, I think. It is funky. Let's see if you can see the internals right there. So it does look nice, and you can distinguish everyone. That one is the gray side, and that's the clear side. The gray is definitely a little bit darker. And then you can see the colors on the side. That might help you out. I don't think this is a legal cube anyway that you can use in competition. And that's the white side, and that's the logo. Nice logo, I like that. That's the other logo they have. And is that a sticker? Yeah, I'm not sure. No, looks like it's UV. It's definitely going to be for display purposes only. It's not a wow factor. Not at all. It's not a wow factor at all. But I do like, if you would make force cubes out of this, 8 force cubes, that would look pretty cool. Yeah, it's not, I can lube it. This thing is real smooth. It is. Is it prone to popping? I'm not 100% sure because I haven't used it. But look, nice black internals. Yeah, so this one, but it's small. Same size as this one. Yep. All right. Not thrilled, but it's a good display piece. Ooh, maybe I can stick this in my infinity cube. How would that look? Let's check it out.
Infinity FTO. 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 There's the logo. FTO. 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 FTO.
Eh. I think I like the other Rubik's Cube better. Yeah, I like when that was in there. The 50th anniversary one. Yeah. Yeah, I thought that would look neat in there, but actually, it doesn't really. Look, I like my regular cube in there. And let me put that back. Yeah, I like my regular cube because the actual stickers are actually shiny and it makes it look much better. I won't be using this. I won't be using this to almost dropped. To solve. It's going to be on display, definitely. I thought this looked interesting and I got it. And I'm going to say I do like it. And if you bought it for display purposes, yeah. And then I think you got your money's worth. Because it is a nice cube and a nice, it turns very nicely. But you're not really going to use it for practice. That's all I really got to say about it. So I'm going to give it there's nothing wrong with the cube. 4 out of 5. It didn't wow me. It didn't get the wow factor in there. So, but it is a very nice cube. Turns well. It feels like it's solid. You can actually, you do see the insides. So that's pretty cool. That's how it looks when it's not dark. I like the logo. Yeah. Hi, babe. What's going on? You tired?
Yeah.
Can I get a kiss?
Yeah.
Not yet.
Tired.
Yeah, soon your strength will build up. And there you have it. I don't even know what this cube is called. It's a Dayan Galaxy FTO Neo magnetic ball core LE. Transparent stickerless. Let's see what the LE stands for. Let's see if they have it in the description. One thing about the Cubicle, I don't think they put a very descriptive product description in there. It could be better. It says, look, it says here, Dayan Galaxy FTO Neo magnetic ball core LE. More details coming soon. Well, when is it coming? Come on, Cubicle. Somebody forgot about this cube. Somebody forgot about this one. Because this ain't brand new. I don't think. Now they do have, on this particular one, they do have a lot of pictures. Not a lot of pictures, but enough. And sometimes their pictures are lacking. I like to see what I'm buying. And if you only have one picture, I like to see around it. Maybe show the internals like this a little bit. And you don't have to have the factory photographs because they make them too elaborate sometimes. Just take a nice picture with, you know, one of those blackout. Like I always, like right here, when I take pictures, I use my Cubicle mats and I black out all the lights. Sometimes I put the Cubicle logo on here and sometimes I don't. And I take pictures. So it's all dark, you know, same color. You can do the same thing. Cubicle, come on, man. I get upset sometimes when I'm trying to buy a cube and I'm like, so I have to go on the internet. What I do is, you know, I copy and then paste it on search, Google search, and then I try to find another company that has more pictures and more, so I can see the product and maybe even have a better description. When you go to their particular site, like in this example, Dayan, if they have their own site, they definitely would have a more pictures. But usually that's just in Chinese, though. So I have found other websites with better descriptive, better photographs, and I think Cubicle needs to step up on that one. I'm not trying to bust on them, but I think on that particular area, they need to step up a little bit. I would volunteer, but let me see, $35 an hour maybe for my. No, I would do it. I would do it for them for free, actually. I like the Cubicle so much, I would actually do it for free. But of course, that would take a lot of my time because they get a crap load of cubes and products in. I'd be up here all the time, 2 or 3 hours a day taking pictures and then cropping them and make sure they look nice. Yeah. And then sending them to the, yeah. But I would do it, definitely. So, yeah, step up your game, Cubicle photographs and better descriptive descriptions of the item you're selling. Well, let's see if I can find better description. Let's see what their description is. View more. Oh, whoa. Yeah, whoa. Okay, Cubicle, they got you on that one. I like this right here. It says that it's in stock, and then it says ships today if you order in the next 2 hours and 38 minutes. I like that feature on the website. So this other website is has some nice features to it. But I like the Cubicle website too. What they have is a tidbit. If a particular website, your favorite website, doesn't have a nice descriptive description of the cube you want to buy or puzzle you want to buy, cut and paste, go to another site, and they might see more pictures. You might see a better description. And that's what I did. Go back to the cubicle.com. Yeah, I like the way the Cubicle's website is set up. All right, that is all I have. If you have any questions, comment down below, and I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. And without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
One amazing Christmas. Help us share. It's easy to do. Every little bit helps kids too. The Gonzo Book.